Hey guys, welcome to Quick Learn. For today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix your iPhone hotspot not working after the iOS 16 update. This tutorial will be simple and you will only be following 3 steps, so make sure to watch until the end. For the first step, make sure to turn off your low data mode. So to do that, just scroll down and then tap on this. If it's yellow, that means it's on, and if it's white, then you're good. So now let's go to settings, personal hotspot, turn this off and then turn it on again, and that should work. If it didn't work, try restarting your phone from the basic way. Hold your power button and volume up button at the same time for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and then slide the restart button that will appear. If this also doesn't work, we still have our solution number 3. To do this, you have to reset your hotspot. So go back to settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then a button will appear that says reset all settings. So just tap on that and it'll reset your phone. It's that simple. I'm pretty sure your problem has now been solved. If you think that this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.